Hey there. Boy, this video is an exciting one. I am hoping to help you just jump and make your business go, way go. Extra money, extra income, and mainly extra profit, but also extra practice, because that's the idea, right? So I'm going to give you 5 tips to get you started. Because one of the things I am going to do with this YouTube video channel is create a coaching business for entertainment businesses just like you. I've been doing this for a long, long time, and I've coached a lot of entertainers. And so my goal is to coach you, right? I'm not talking about group coaching. I'm talking about one-on-one, looking at your specific business, your specific needs, your specific goals, and then I'll give you my best ideas on how to make those possible, how to manifest them. I have mentored a lot of people in this business and ran a bunch of businesses, and so I feel like I have some things to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, check the little bell to get notified, because trust me, the next few videos are going to rock. They're really, really powerful and a lot of fun. So without any further ado, let's get started on your tips for your balloon business. Okay, are you ready for the big one? This is the big one, number 1. All right, I got 2 or 3 big ones here coming at you. If you're doing balloons and you're only doing balloons, and the reason I'm targeting that to you is because of this balloon channel that I've kind of started right now, okay? I'm going to branch off into other skills. But if you're doing balloons and you're not doing face painting, you are losing work. You're losing income. I have always thought, since I got started back in, my goodness, 1976 was when I was trained as a clown. Face painting and balloons, face painting and balloons, face painting and balloons. They're the bread and butter of this industry, of the birthday party industry. Even if mom's buying a lizard show, if she's buying a magician, if she's buying a mad scientist show, many times she also wants face painting and balloons, face painting and balloons. That's what everybody knows. That's what everybody buys. It's the bread and butter, okay? So if you don't do face painting yourself, go to YouTube, have your wife trained to do face painting, have your teenage kid trained to do face painting, have your best friend trained to do face painting. Get somebody to learn face painting so that you can add that to your business. And then when mom calls you for balloons, say, hey, do you need a face painter also? Every single time. Now, it seems kind of weird, but remember, I worked for McDonald's. I was one of the Ronald McDonalds of the world. That's my bronzed Ronald shoe. It's an actual Ronald shoe right back there. 20 years of service. The thing that McDonald's learned was hamburgers and fries. Hamburgers and fries. It's not just hamburgers, fries. And then they did that package after years. Hamburgers, fries, and Coke. Hamburgers, fries, and Coke. Why do you think they sell that? Why do you think they sell that? The reason isn't just because that's what people want, okay? Here's the crazy thing. They make more money off the fries and the Coke than they do the hamburger. And people are going to buy them anyway. So McDonald's tailored that to their customers, and then they trained their customers to buy that, all right? So what I'm telling you is tailor your customers to get face painting and balloons from you. Face painting and balloons from you, okay? So the best way to do it is to train somebody how to do it. Unfortunately, I can't train you how to do that. I am not a great face painter, all right? I am a sculptor. I'm a 3D artist, right? But I did do face painting for years, and I did train face painting for years. I'm not going to do it on YouTube, because there are much better people than me. But I am going to tell you that you can train yourself here on YouTube, right? You can find out what to buy, you can find out how to start, you can find out what to do. That's the best way. The reason is, if you train your own people, if you train your family, if you train your friends, then you're going to make a lot more money off of them. One of the other ways to do it is to reach out to somebody who's advertising face painting and say, hey, you're doing face painting, I'm doing balloons. Would it be okay if I book a face painter, if I call you on a regular basis? And you do the same for me. So you create a partnership with somebody who's a face painter, okay? Now, you're not going to make as much money with that, okay? But you're going to get more work. They're going to get more work because they're going to book balloons on their end and bring it to you. And what if, I'm just saying, what if for every balloon job you made an extra $40 for every balloon job? That wouldn't be too bad, right? You're adding your profit with the same phone call, the same client. Face painting and balloons, face painting and balloons. Now, that's all out there. Everybody can do it. Everybody in this business does it. We all do it. The clients love it. That's what the kids want. Face painting and balloons. That's the bread and butter. Okay? If you're a magician, add face painting and balloons to what you do. Again, hire your teenager, teach them face painting and balloons, add it to your package, right? Why not? The other thing is that opens you up for bigger jobs. Shopping centers, people that need 2 face painters and 2 balloon artists, right? All of a sudden you're working bigger jobs for bigger money, okay? You're not necessarily making bigger profit because you're bringing other people in, but you are making more money, all right? So with that in mind, I'm going to give you my other mind blower number 2 in this part in terms of adding face painting, and that's coming up next. I hope you got something out of this. I'm sure that you did. Go to my coaching site. Again, it's down in the link below. Subscribe, do the little button, and you'll get to see a bunch of new videos because I'm doing more videos too about a bunch of new stuff, more skills and more business ideas. All right. Have a great day, and I wish you the best success in this crazy business.